Hi, we're at Excellence Oyster Bay in Jamaica. Today we're going to see Excellence Club, Honeymoon, rooftop terrace with private plunge pool, 5307. Come on in. Standard Excellence features with the one panel door and entranceway. Of course, we got the Xbox. That's where you get your room service and you put your dirty dishes. If you want it that way, not to be disturbed when you order, just make sure you let them know, put it in my Xbox. They will not put other stuff in there, like if you want them to bring toiletries and that. That's for food only and dirty dishes. Area here for luggage. Keep your whole area clean. Very nice entrance. This is a big mirror. It's a little humid right now because the door was open. Huge mirrors. When you're in Excellence Club, you get the upgraded liquor. You get Bombay. It's all this stuff. Grey Goose, Bailey's, Johnny. You get Pringles. Then you get Lay's also back there, Lay's and sour cream. You get some other snacks in here in your little fridge. You get Coke, Sprite, Schweppes, Snickers, Peanuts, M&M's, bottled water, Bud Light, Bud, Red Stripe.
And that's
light.
Natural spring water. It's not filtered. It's the good water.
Red Stripe light, Red Stripe regular, and I also saw Heineken's, so I'm sure you can request some Heineken's. And then you also have all the bars around. And Appleton Signature Blend Rum, which is from Jamaica, man. Your living room, big screen, very comfortable, very nice. This is a very nicely upgraded room. I suggest this to honeymooners. I suggest this to most. If you want the view, this is a room for you. There is a rooftop. We have the video on non-honeymoon. It's got just a smaller deck, terrace area. We'll see that. King size bed, iPhone charger on there, phone, another TV in here, 2 relaxing chairs. I call them grandma, granddad chairs to kick back. That's my thing. Soaking jacuzzi, jetted tub, incense, and then back here is your bathroom. Floors are very nice, easy to keep clean. I like that. The beach house had a little more of a challenging floor, like a plank type floor, harder to clean. Big mirror, double sink. Excellence Club, Bulgari products. Bulgari. And you fit your toothbrush. There's comb, shaving kit. Everything's here. If you need more, call down. Toilet room with phone. You never know. Every time you sit on the toilet, phone rings. That's the way it is. Walk in, zero door. Walk in, rain shower and handheld. And you set the temperature that you like right here, and that way all you have to do each night is turn them on. One of my features I love about Excellence is these closets. They're kind of like hidden there, and you open them up, and they're huge. Open up. Got everything right in here in your fingertips when you get ready. You got these great shelves. I mean, I just love it. You can really organize. That's something a lot of rooms don't have is good exercise. Your safes in here, beach bag, plenty of, hanger areas, extra sleep, pillows, I believe this thing. You get a pillow menu when you're in Excellence Club too. And that's a motion light, so that'll turn off. So let's go out and see the terrace. I'm not going to talk a lot out here because it's a little breezy today. So Amanda's just going to show you the terrace offerings.
I like it.
All right, so outside you see you got this really nice relaxing canopy bed here. You got another relaxing bed over there underneath in the shade. This is shade. The plunge pool is bigger than ours. Ours is more thinner and long. That one's a bigger one. So you get more for your money. It's not that much more money for this honeymoon if it's available. That's the other thing. There's only so many of these rooms. I think there's only 4 of these, 5.
No, that's Imperial. That's 5.
There's 5 Imperials, and I don't know. But whatever, anytime you have these special rooms, you gotta make sure you kind of get in there as early as you can, even if you're worried about prices. So KVS Travel, this is our room tours. This is what we do. We go and travel the properties. If this isn't even your place, and remember that noise out there, you have to keep that in mind when you're booking these rooms, because that's by the pool. That's gonna be happening. So when you're out there, you're gonna be hearing that. So keep that in mind. We book a lot of great places all over the Caribbean and Hawaii. We do custom California trips. We do Italy. We do Sicily. We do some England. We do those kind of trips, but we do a lot. There's a lot of products in the Caribbean, all inclusive, family, European plan, which is you're not all inclusive, but a lot of times you get a higher level of food and drink experience. So give us a call. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my videos. When you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you get $25 off your first booking. We also have referral programs. When you refer people to us, really good clients to us, you get $25 every time you refer a good client to us. And check me out on Twitter. You can follow me on there. Do a little something on there, but it's nice to get followers. And Facebook. And anything. When you book with us, you also get my cell phone. You get me and Amanda. You don't get outsourced. You don't get put on hold. You will be able to text me, call me. We follow you. We're with you all the way through the booking, all the way through till you come home. And hopefully there's no issues. But if there are issues, we're there for you, and we do whatever we can. Thank you. Sean, Amanda, KVS Travel.